In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Smartsheet. Let's get started right from the Smartsheet home. Open Smartsheet and head to the home page so you're in a central place to access your work. From here, you can start a new project, program, or process if you're spinning up fresh work, or simply use something that already exists. To quickly locate what you need, check the suggested section, which surfaces items you've opened recently. If you don't see your sheet there, switch over to All Workspaces to browse everything you have access to. In all workspaces, select the workspace that contains the sheet with the comment you want to remove and click to open it. Then, open the specific sheet where the conversation lives. Once the sheet is open, you'll be in the grid view by default, which is perfect for this task. Look to the far left of the sheet next to the row numbers. You'll see a small comment icon for each row. If the icon shows a number or looks highlighted, that means there are comments on that row. Click the comment icon next to the row that contains the comment you want to delete. This opens the conversation panel for that row so you can see the entire thread and identify the exact message you want to remove. In the conversation panel, locate the specific comment. Hover over it to reveal additional options, and then click the three-dot menu for that individual comment. From the menu, choose Delete Comment. Smartsheet will ask you to confirm just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Delete to finalize. That's it, the comment is removed from the thread immediately. A few quick pointers to keep things smooth. You need the right permissions to delete comments. Typically, you can delete your own comments, and owners or admins may be able to remove any comment, depending on your organization settings. If you don't see the delete option, check your access level or reach out to the sheet owner. Also, deleting a comment is intended to be permanent, so double check you're removing the correct one, especially if it contains decisions or context others might need. If your comment icon isn't visible on a row, it usually means there aren't any comments there yet. And remember, you're deleting a single comment, not the whole thread, which helps you clean up clutter while preserving useful discussion. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up conversations and keep your Smartsheet rows focused and clear.